Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair. Let's break down two important terms in HVAC cooling capacity, BTU, and ton of refrigeration. What is a BTU? BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. It's the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. We use BTUs per hour to measure how much heat a system can add or remove. What is a ton of refrigeration? In HVAC, 1 ton of refrigeration equals 12,000 BTU/HR. This comes from the amount of heat needed to melt 2,000 pounds of ice in 24 hours at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So when someone says you have a 3-ton system, that means it can remove 36,000 BTUs of heat every hour. Bonus: converting to kilowatts, 1 ton of refrigeration equals 3.5 kilowatts. So if you're dealing with international equipment or energy calculations, that's a good number to know. Quick recap: BTU equals unit of heat. BTU equals BTUs per hour. 1 ton equals 12,000 BTU equals 3.5 kW. Tonnage tells you how much cooling power an HVAC unit has. Want to keep learning? Grab the book, check the site, and hit subscribe. HVAC book, MarylandHVACRepair.com at Maryland HVAC Repair.